Hello my country people. Today tori sweet belle wella sake of say we dey follow our brother Idris Abdulkareem thank God for the success of the kidney transplant wey im do over the weekend.
What's up? La familia. What's up? What's up?
Yes, so
According to Idris, he say, I am specifically giving thanks and praises to the Almighty God for my successful kidney transplant surgery
Hello,
over the
everybody.
weekend.
My name is EEDRIS ABDULKAREEM, Ambassador's best friend. I want to thank you all for all your prayers and your support.
May his holy name be glorified forever and ever. Idris say talk no fit express im love, devotion and commitment to im adorable, loving, supportive and compassionate wife Yetunde say na im God use to make im life complete. E say im go always love, cherish and adore im wife forever. Idris further thank im children, im ex ten ded family, im crew, friends, fans and well-wishers for their prayers. Make una no forget say Idris Abdulkareem na one of Nigeria's foremost Afro-pop singer and activist.
Nigeria everything scatter. Come on, this suffer. Don't shut it out here. Nigeria everything scatter. Come on, this suffer. Don't shut it out here.
Na few weeks ago im get kidney disease and don dey receive treatment from hospital for Lagos wey dem no disclose. Doctor confam say im go need anoda pesin kidney take replace di two wey don damage. Luckily for am, im wife Yetunde volunteer to donate one of im kidney. If una gbadun dis gist, make una help us subscribe, like, comment and share so dat we go dey notify una as other gist dey shele. And for my people wey don already subscribe, no forget to turn on your notification bell icon so dat sharparly dem go dey notify you as we dey upload new video.
If you know what, make me